What's up YouTube, this Enzo Rides coming at you with another video. Today we're going to be unboxing some parts. I'm showing you guys what I got right here for the Ultra Bee. Today we're doing recording a little differently. I'm on the 360. So Insta 360. Haven't really used it too much for crazy vids. But yeah, this is what we got going on. Let me show y'all. So we'll start with the handlebar setup first. First things first, we're gonna go ahead and remove the brakes off of it. So you're just gonna go ahead and get a 5mm Allen wrench, and we'll take these bolts out, and the whole brake assembly should fall off. We'll do it to this side as well. A couple Phillips on this side, and the whole assembly should come off. A couple of these, and that should come out. We will undo the throttle cable, or the throttle right here. That should pull apart. Once that pulls apart, we should be able to freely remove the throttle tube. So I've read horror stories, like as far as the, oh yeah, so if we look, it already looks like this throttle tube is busted. So we'll see how that goes, if I could even work this on. So I mean, worst case scenario, I'll probably just leave this on, put the new grip on until the new throttle tube comes in. Once it comes in, I'll just throw that new grip on and bam, do what I gotta do. But yeah, so let's run it. First things first. Boom. So loosen them at the same time. Bam. Once you got them loose, bam, bam. So we'll go ahead and hold up. All right, so to get that off, this left side handlebar, there's a little Allen right there. Just loosen that. It's a lock grip. Took that clean off. And then for the controls, there was a set screw right here that it was on. I didn't know how to screw this set screw off, so all I did was put a flathead in between and just popped it, and it came off the screw, and I was able to take it off. So then over here, we're gonna get us a 532 Allen wrench. Screw this off. Boom. Once that comes out, we should be good to remove the throttle. And I think it's electronic, so no adjustment needed. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Shit. All right, got it off. Hold up. All right, got all that off. Now we're gonna take this off. Once the clamps come off, riser clamps, boom. Take that bitch off. Take this one off. Okay, we're Gucci. We should be able to take off the handlebars now. Set these right here. Lift these up. I'm gonna go ahead and slide this mechanism off. Boom. That's how we're looking. Take these stock ones. Put them over here. Let's get these new ones on. All right, y'all, we got them on. Got the Renthal fat bar. Pretty evened out. Almost, not perfect. Got the new ODI grip. Controls are back on. We kept the little, I would call that like the circle mount. Slides over the bar. once you take this off, this end will pull off. Then you unscrew that part. This one was broke. But see, you have an Allen bolt right here that goes onto a metal ring. So this will go over the ring. You line up the holes, you put the Allen in, you screw the Allen in, and then it go ahead, or the Allen in. And it bolts into the, puts a little tension on the bars, and it creates like an indent so it doesn't go anywhere. Then you put the throttle on, brake lever. I got this aftermarket, not aftermarket, but the kid who had the bike before me did this. Peep it. What's up? So yeah, as you can see, the aftermarket light, the kid installed. It's a little rock light. The only thing I don't like is that it took power away from the USB, so I'll go ahead and probably swap that out or split it. But yeah, got the riser bolts torqued down, 18 foot-pounds. That's what I read online. So we got them torqued down at 18 foot-pounds. Put all the controls back on. Bam. So this is what it's looking like. Ooh, purple bars, supermoto wheels. Now we're gonna go ahead and swap that peg out for the purple one. So it's just a little C-clip. We'll pop that out real quick. Let me put this down real quick. Pop it out. Boom. Push this in. That falls out. That's it. Put the new one in. Come over here. Bam. See how it's set up? Go ahead and come over here. This can slide in like that. That goes in there like that. This will pop in here. That goes in there. And then we'll put the clip on. So it's kind of hard to do with one hand, but see what I'm saying? That goes in there. Yep, that stays in there. That goes in there. That stays in there. Then we'll put this back in. Boom, one-handed on me. That's in. Put this washer on, just like how it was. Well, that's gonna need two hands, but put this washer in. Boom. And then the C-clip over that, so that needs two hands to hold it. And there it is. Let me see if I can zoom. Can't really zoom on it, my bad, but C-clips on, washers there. Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm working on my bike. Now you're in my YouTube video. Hold up. There it is. C-clip back on, washer over. Boom. Gucci. That's what it's looking like so far. Bam. So we'll get that purple triangle next. Then we got that purple skid plate. Put that on tomorrow. I'm tired. But yeah. This how it's looking. This does add a little weight, but it'll look good, I feel like. But yeah. All right, thanks y'all for watching. Appreciate it.